Because this is part 1 of the park at the school. Anyways, what am I gonna choose to wear at the party at the school? It's need to be Valentine's. This one, or this one, or this one. And my partner is my crush. We're gonna choose. How about this one? Okay. Guys, kung nagstay ganito yung damit, ay normal lang yun. 6721. Just gonna wear my makeup downstairs. She's beautiful without no glasses. What letter am I gonna choose? Definitely these two. And this one. My gosh, it's not moving. I'm just gonna this picking box. And if I found the girl, I'm gonna propose to him. Because this is my girlfriend. That the girl is who matches. This heart is my girlfriend. That's a good thing. No way separated. I hope I found my boyfriend out there. And she's have that heart of this heart. I hope it's real, but if it's not, it's okay. And she is so rich. I really want my makeup. Oops. Cookies, my lip gloss, this, my lipstick, much better. Hey girl, yeah, can you take the ring at your desk? The makeup there, okay? Because I'm gonna propose to have it. What have it? Nothing. Okay, I think you're hiding something. You don't care if you hide if I'm hiding something. Anyways, just give me already. The elevator is so slow. We'll go much better. at the school. I hope the class handsome is my goal, and she's gonna propose to me, and I hope I have the ring. Oh my gosh! Wait, I hate these clothes. I hate these clothes. I'm gonna wear something. I hope that girl is gonna use other one. Where's the audience? Anyways guys, yung mga nakaupo, yan yung mga nag-choose kung sino talaga yung magbabag. At sino dapat maging panalo. At mga artista pa kung guys. Batang ina. Saan punta?
Dito lang po, boss. Yang master Kate Maurice.
But where's the tool? Hello, audience. Sorry I'm late. Sorry, everyone, I'm late. But stop the music now. Right now. Stop the music. No, that one. Stop the music, please. I'm just gonna propose to someone who has this heart. I don't have it. I hope that girl doesn't have it. I have it. Let me check if it fits. It fits. Here, I have a gift for you. Hey, what's that? Read this message. This and this. There you go. I'm gonna propose to you. Oh no! Actually, I have that one. Liar! Yeah, she's lying because I'm the girl's best friend, and she always talk about that, and she even shows that. And she is just a transferee, but I am his friend, and I just transfer here, and she is may half Filipino to guys ha. At nung hindi pa siya nag-aaral dito, pinapakita niya na yan sa akin. Tama si baby girl. Tama si baby ko. Can you marry me? Yes. Will you marry para yun? Yes. si part 2.